We're here at the Staybridge Suites here in Gainesville, Florida, and this is a weird setup. It's a Schindler 3300. What the? I've seen this one other place. This is strange elevator setup. Very similar to the Holiday Inn elevators. Bigger. Weird. Anyway, let's go to 5. This is a weird setup. This is elevator number 1 and 2. The car. But yeah, they're very similar to the elevators that we just rode. Literally, right next door. This is Staybridge Suites here. Lafayette, Indiana location has this same setup except it's ThyssenKrupp. Now we gotta wait.
How you doing? Hey, better than most? Yes, ma'am.
This car too.
Yeah, it is. After that cold that we've had, you're not wearing your sweaters now.
Just this one. Yeah, this is weird. Alright, let's go up to 5. This is so weird. Give it 5. This is car number 2. See, it's a nice hotel. This is a very strange setup. FIGS buttons. There's a certificate. It's a nice elevator. Similar to the Holiday Inn next door. Here we're 1. Oh, here we go. Let me get up. Now this thing, there we go. What a very strange setup. You have that elevator over there. And then you have this one here. So weird. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.